For the establishment of spirituality, I do come on this earth repeatedly, whenever required. Thus said Lord Krishna. Baba has said, the one formless, beginningless and infinite Param Brahma, the Supreme Consciousness, is the only entity to be attained by living beings. That alone is Jagat Guru, the Supreme Preceptor. That alone has revealed Brahma Vidya, institutional science to us, through the medium of name and form of Anandamurti Ji. Vaidcharya Charya Part 2. Baba has also said, Vaidcharya Charya Part 2, how to proceed on the path of this bliss. He has said, utilizing the vibrations created for eternal time by Sri Sri Anandamurti Ji through Janu Sparsh and Varabha Mudras, take yourself and the entire universe ahead along the path of all-round welfare. Om Shanti. Sadguru is the medium to take us from the manifested, that is, from the created world to unmanifested one, that is, the Supreme Consciousness. This is explained in the line of Ananda Sutram, Bhavah Bhavatitiyoh Setuh Tarak Brahma. Sadguru is Tarak Brahma. We are presenting before you his glorious history. Due to love and reverence, we call our preceptor Baba. Baba means the father of everything and every being created in the universe. Baba has founded Ananda Marga organization for the all-round welfare of the universe. Baba was born on Vaishakhi Purnima in the year 1921 at 6-7 am at Jamalpur. Baba's childhood name was Arun. At the age of 4, his name was changed to Prabhat Ranjan. Baba was a brave child. He opposed suppression and hated the word defeat. He finished his education in 1941 from Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar College, Kolkata. He gave first initiation on Shravani Purnima 1939 to Sri Kali Charan at Kashi Mitra Ghat, Kolkata, and named him Kalikanand. Baba got married in 1959 at Bandel. Jamalpur is a city located in Bihar. Jamalpur is that sacred place on this earth where Baba was born and established the ideology of Atmokshartham Jagat Hitaicha through Ananda Marg, resulting into worldwide popularity of Jamalpur. Every particle of this sacred place is a witness of Baba's greatness. This place has a great spiritual vibration and it is a treasure for humanity. So we hope that this part will help you to get a better idea of spiritual importance of this holy place. Baba's birthplace at Jamalpur. Railway quarter at Jamalpur, the place from where Baba started Ananda Marg. Railway bridge, Baba's pathway to his office and tiger's grave. Kali temple and the rock beside, where Baba used to sit, and this place has a great spiritual vibration. The tamarind tree at the mouth of Death Valley, which is a famous Tantra Peeth. The historical tiger's grave, the place where Baba used to sit every evening with his disciples. This is the place where many philosophical books were written under the light of the candle. This stream is situated to the west of hill, and Baba used to have water of this stream during his evening walk. The passage and the broken wall through which Baba used to go to Jagriti. Ananda Marg Jagriti Madhu Manjula, situated at Jamalpur. It is the first central Jagriti of Ananda Marg. Baba used to sit here during 1956 to 1966. Large number of PCs and demonstrations were conducted here. He also stayed here during his visit on 20th October 1966. Marg Guru Quarter, Madhu Manjula at Jamalpur. Madhu Karnika, Central Anandanagar. Baba stayed here from 31st December 1966 to 5th March 1967. He conducted 14 DMCs between 4th November 1966 to 3rd June 1990. Baba stayed in this rented house at Ranchi from March 1967 to 1971. Marg Guru Quarter, Madhu Manjusha, Ranchi. Baba stayed here from May 1958 to May 1984 and Baba conducted 14 DMCs here. Marg Guru Quarter, Madhuma Lunch, Lake Garden, Kolkata. Baba gave 3,749 Prabhat Sangeet here. His house is well known for its beautiful garden. Marg Guru Quarter, Madhu Korak, Tiljala, Kolkata. Baba laid the foundation stone of this building in May 1980. Baba used to give darshan to his disciples from October 1985 every Saturday. Baba stayed at this residence from 1989 up to his great departure. Ranchi Jagriti has a great spiritual value. In the year 1967, when Baba came to Ranchi, he used to give darshans to his devotees in this very place. Senior Tatvik class was introduced for the first time in this Jagriti. Acharya Kedarnath ji donated land for this Jagriti. 1955, Baba founded Anand Marg, a socio-spiritual organization in 1955. Anand Marg name was given in December 1954 by Baba. Shri Pranay Kumar Chatterjee was made first GS. Baba said, "On the first day of international calendar, I will start DMC." On 1st January 1955, first DMC was held in Jamalpur at the Rampur Railway Quarter and the subject of his discourse was Samaj Ka Kramah Vikash. Baba made 5 Acharya and 1 Acharya till April and after that Acharya Board was formed and Acharya Sukumar Bose was made first secretary of Acharya Board. Shri Pranay Kumar Chatterjee is the first Acharya of Anand Marg. He was initiated in the year 1949 on the tiger's grave. He was not only the first Acharya but he was also the first General Secretary of Anand Marg. Srimati Rampari Devi is the first Acharya of Anand Marg. She was initiated in November 1953 and was made Acharya in 55. She was also the first lady to be initiated. 1956, Acharya Chandranath Kumar, Acharya Shivshankar Banerjee, Acharya Hari Sadhan Ji and Acharya Ram Tanuk Ji conducted the first Tattva Sabha at village Gaddopur as per directions of Baba. Acharya Rampari Devi and Acharya Ahilya Devi spread the philosophy of Anand Marg among the women folks and also gave initiations. Baba told answers to a few questions related to Tattva Sabha to Acharya Chandranath Ji and surprisingly these were the same questions which the priests of the village asked. Baba said this Tattva Sabha was a very successful one. 1958, Renaissance Universal was started on 26 January 1958 at Trimuhan and the subject of Baba's pravachan for it was Problems of the Day. The Ashwin Purnima DMC was conducted at Krishnanagar Town Hall the same year. 1959, on 5th July 59, Baba gave Kapalik Diksha to Sri Jayashankar and Hari Ballabh Ji at Jamalpur. In between the 3 palm trees, the socio-economic philosophy route was propounded at Jamalpur. In this year only, on the special invitation, Baba went to Allahabad University to address the professors and students and the subject of his speech was Pran or Man. 1960, first revolutionary marriage took place in this year. It was the marriage of Sri Sujit Ji and Srimati Indu Ji. Bi-monthly magazine Nav Sandesh for children was printed in April and the first editor was Sri Amarnath Kumar. Through this very magazine, Baba blessed the children. All-round development of human intelligence take place in you children. This is my wish. 1961, first prachar outside India started from Nepal. when Acharya Chandranath Ji went there in May-June the same year. 1962. On 1st May 62, first Avdhut was initiated and Avdhut dress was given on Vaishakhi Purnima Day. In the month of March, Shri Gauri Shankar Ji of Bhagalpur, a police constable by post, did the first widow marriage. The Queen of Garjaipur donated 500 acres of land to Anand Marg. 1963. Eros was founded in May 63. The land of Baglata was named Anand Nagar. 1965. Women Welfare Department was established in April 1965. This department has got many of its branches spread all over the world. The first Avdhutika, Ananda Bharti Acharya, was initiated in October. 1966. The first WT worker sent overseas for propagation of ideology was Sri Atmananda Avadhut. He was sent to Kenya, Africa. Sri Amitabh became the first overseas WT worker in February 1966. He was an engineer from Japan. 1967. On 5th March 1967, Anandnagar was attacked by activists of a particular political party, in which 5 of our dedicated monks were murdered brutally. The monks who sacrificed their lives for our ideology and mission were Acharya Abhedanand Avadhut, Acharya Sajjitanand Avadhut, Avadh Kumar, Prabhas Kumar and Bharat Kumar. The court, after a prolonged trial, found 19 persons guilty, including the BDO of Garjaipur, guilty of the crime and sentenced them to life imprisonment. After this attack, Baba went to Ranchi, and in Ranchi he said that he has guaranteed salvation to these Dadhichis, and he told the Margis to see to it that the sacrifice of these Dadhichis does not go in vain. 1968. For the first time, Baba went outside India to Manila for DMC, which was held on 23rd June. Anand Marg Institute of Technology was also established. 1970. In 1970, Amrit was founded. Baba Naam Kevalam, a Stakshari Kirtan, was introduced the same year at Amjharia Forest Rest House near Ranchi. 1971. After Golden Jubilee celebrations of Baba's birthday, the camp headquarters was shifted to Patna from Ranchi, just after May Dharm Mahachakra Ranchi. On 29th of December 1971, 7 years long incarceration of the Marg Guru began. 1973. On 12th February 1973, Marg Guru Dev was poisoned in Bakipur Central Jail, Patna. From April 1st, Marg Guru goes on a 5-year, 4 months and a 2-day long fast, demanding a judicial inquiry into the poisoning incident. A disciple cannot tolerate all destructive, insulting strike of sinful forces against revered Guru. So how could the Margis tolerate it? Margis all over the world protested against the anti-Marg conspiracy by the ruling government that time. On 9th April, Acharya Divyanand Avadhut sacrificed himself to attract the attention of the world towards the demands of Baba. In similar way, some other disciples also laid down their lives for beloved Baba. Acharya Divyanand Avadhut, born in Bagdafa, Orissa, immolated himself in the year 1973 near Bihar Assembly, Patna. Acharya Dineshwarananda Avadhut, born in Hariharpur, Uttar Pradesh, immolated himself on 24th April 1973 at Delhi in Purana Kila. Acharya Atulananda Avadhut, born in Birbhum district of West Bengal, immolated himself on 11th December 1974 in Bakipur Central Jail, Patna. Brahmacharini Uma Acharya and Acharya Lokesh Brahmachari of Germany immolated themselves on 8 February 1978 in Berlin. Acharya Gagan Brahmachari immolated himself on 17th February 1978 in Dallas, Texas, United States. Didi Ashitima Brahmacharini of Switzerland immolated herself in June 78 at Manila, Philippines, and she was only 26 years old. Acharya Tyageshwarananda Avadhut, born in Nawabganj, UP, was beaten to death by police at Bhagalpur jail. Didi Shanti of Australia immolated herself on 2nd October 1978 in Geneva, Switzerland, and she was only 24 years old. 1975. In 1975, emergency was imposed on July 3rd and Ananda Marg was banned, and several monks, nuns and margis were put behind bars nationwide. 1977. In March 77, ban was revoked. The then government was voted out of power in an unprecedented electoral tide. 1978. The battle of truth and justice against the evil forces ended up with victory of truth and justice as Baba was released from the Bakipur Central Jail with utmost respect. Baba not only saved his devotees but also defeated the evil forces and made his way out. During this period, Acharya Ram Tanukji took care of all the legal proceedings. Koshki was given on 6 September by Baba the same year. On 2nd August 1978, for the first time in history, such a large running procession of devotees was carried out. 1981. Dharma Samiksha was started in 1981. For the first time, DMC was conducted at Anandnagar on New Year's Day. From 20th May 1981, Baba started giving pravachan in 3 different languages at the DMCs. 1982. Baba propounded neo-humanism theory. In his philosophy, he described human society as one and indivisible entity. On 30th April 1982, 17 Anand Marg monk and nun were massacred at Bijan Setu, Kolkata by the activists of a particular political party. Prabhat Sangeet was introduced on September 14, 1982 at Devghar. First Prabhat Sangeet was Bandhu Hai Niye Chalo. Total number of songs given by Baba are 5018. Prabhat Sangeet was given in many languages. 1983. Ananda Marg accepted as a religion by the Government of Canada on October 20th. The Supreme Court of India, in its judgment in the Tandav case, declared Ananda Marg a religious denomination. 1986. On 31st December 1986, Marg Guru propounded the theory of microvitam. 1988. Amat received the Indicator International Human Rights Award for outstanding relief work in South Africa. The government of Red China invited Sri P.R. Sarkar to a conference on future of world development in economy, culture, ecology and education. Acharya Raghunath Ji was sent as a representative by Baba's order. 1989. In the year 1989, AMOT was recognized as a registered organization in the Philippines. 1990. On 7th May 1990, the Kolkata High Court accepted the Tandav dance as an essential and integral part of religious practices of Ananda Marg. The September 90 Ananda Marg Guru gave the initial concept for the establishment of Gurukul University at Anandnagar. On 20th October 1990, the 5018th Prabhat Sangeet was composed. On 21st October, after completing his work on this earth, Baba left this physical body in Madhukorak, Tiljala. From 21st October, Baba's physical body was preserved till 26th October for the arrival of Margis from all over the world. During this period, Akhand Kirtan went on continuously uninterrupted. October 31st, 1990, Acharya Shraddhananda Avadhut became the Purodha Pramukh and President of Anand Marg Pracharak Sangh. 1991, AMAT received recognition as the NGO by the United Nations Organization. 1992, Anand Marg was registered in Uganda, Greece, Russia and many more countries. Our organizational structure starting from Purodha Pramukh, General Secretary, Global Secretaries, Secretarial Secretaries, Regional Secretaries and Dice Secretaries. Our committee structure starting from Purodha Board, Central Committee, Central Executive Committee, Avadhut Board, Acharya Board and Tatvik Board. Now we would like to end this program with a few words from our beloved Baba.
Parama Purusha is the only object of ideation.
Kevala